So this is part 4 of my 5-part series where I show you how to build your very own AI agent. So if you haven't seen part 1 to 3, go check them out so that you're not lost. In the last video, we built an AI agent that finds jobs for you. But in this one, it will make you money. Today, we'll be building a sales email scoring AI agent. This agent checks your email box daily, pulls in new images from potential customers, and uses an AI model to analyze each one. It then ranks them based on how likely that sender is to become a paying customer. We will call this customer intent score. So let's visualize the workflow. So this is what we are going to build. We are going to fetch new emails from an email address, send it to AI, our large language model, to analyze it. Then the large language model scores it based on the intent of the mail. Basically, it says, oh, does this mail have a potential to be a lead? And if it's a lead, what is the score index? Is it a high paying client or is it going to be a low paying client? And then it gets that and forwards it to an email or a spreadsheet, but we're going to be using a spreadsheet for this one. As always, we start by creating a workflow. Then, since we want this to be triggered every morning, we add a scheduled trigger workflow or a scheduled trigger node. And this is going to be triggered every day by 9 a.m. We could test this step to ensure that it's working. Go ahead, it's working. And then the next thing we need to do is to add an email node. This connects to your Gmail or any email provider that you're using, and it pulls in unread emails. I'm going to use Gmail because I'm using a Gmail provider, or you could use any provider that you want. So I'm going to say get many messages because I want you to read my messages. I will click on create a new credential, sign in, and select the email that I want to read from and give it authorization. So the connection is successful. I go ahead and say the resource is the message, the operation, I want you to get many emails. I don't want you to return all emails because it's going to return a lot of emails. So for now, I'm going to limit it to 10 emails, and I could test the step. And as you can see, it's already returning our emails. So we go ahead and save. The next step is to bring in the brains, which is the large language model.